no deceiving, nothing up my sleeving, no teasing. I need you to get up on the dance floor. Get that man what he asking for. Cause I feel like busting loose and I feel like touching you. And can't nobody stop the juice. So baby, tell me what's the use? I said it's getting hot.
Again, it's a lace lay. You see it. I'm coming to you today just to show you how I got this pretty Senegalese twist ponytail. Yes, girl, honey, work it. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Give it to him. Give it to him. Bun action, swing action. Yes. So if you want to learn how I did this quick ass ponytail to pop out tonight, go ahead and watch this tutorial. Stay tuned. Stupid. It's a lace lay. Okay, ladies, so today I will be using a crochet hook, some 24-hour even edge control, and some jumbo mambo twists, the long kind. You can get 2 packs of that if you want it really full, but I'm using like a pack and a half. So what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that crochet hair on the needle. And I'm going to put it through. As you seen in the first clip, I did it the wrong way. I went ahead and did it the right way. So I'm just going to go ahead and crochet these in until I feel like it's a desired fullness that I want. I wasn't looking for anything specific, just something quick. This is a very quick style. My girl called me and was like, girl, we finna go outside. And I said, what? Let me get something done in my head. So I had 2 packs of this hair laying around and I went ahead and chose to do it. So here we are. Now, as you guys see, I did already put my hair in a ponytail. All I did was use the brush, comb, and some grease and gel. Of course, if you need to learn how to do a ponytail, refer to some other YouTube videos. It's very simple. I just put it in a ponytail, and then I wrapped the extra hair from the ponytail into a braid, and then I wrapped it into a bun. A bun's tight enough just to be able to secure the crochet hair in. It's very simple, you guys. Like I said, if you need to learn how to do a ponytail, you can refer to some other YouTube videos. Y'all, I was up there watching Love and Hip Hop, baby. It had me tuned in. Excuse me for not looking at the camera, but y'all, I was tuned in to Love and Hip Hop, baby. This girl, Lyrica and A1, they is a whole mess, baby. And as you see right here, this crochet twist was a little messed up. So that's actually going to be the one I use to wrap around my ponytail, just to give it a more invisible look to the ponytail. You want to wrap at least 2 of these around. I'm going to go ahead and just wrap that one. Yes, and she's all finished. I just went ahead and wrapped that twist around the ponytail. But yeah, she is finished. And don't mind that piece of hair in my braids. I took it off. Work it, honey. Yes, honey, it's a lace lay. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to my channel too. Stop playing with me. Subscribe, bitch.